everyone, you're welcome once more to MPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Buki, and if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody that needs to improve his or her skill. Remember, sharing is what here. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board on matrix. It says find the inverse of what? This 2 by 2 matrix of the elements 5, 3, 6, and 4. So our solution, okay, first I'd like us to know if our matrix A has what? Let's say we have A, okay, B, C, and D, okay. All we need to do to find the inverse, we can simply say A inverse is equal to what? Okay, we have, okay, let's say the adjoint of A, okay, divided by what? The determinant of what? A. Okay, so this gives us the solution. But now, what is adjoint of A? Okay, so all you need to do for A adjoint is you are going to, okay, do an interchange. Okay, when I mean interchange, this diagonal, we are going to interchange it such that, D will take the place of A. So I'm going to have D here, okay, and we are going to have A in place of D. So you have to interchange, the positions of A and D in this leading diagonal, which is also the what? The major diagonal. Then the next thing is you want to attach minus to this minor diagonal. So minus to C and minus to D. So this is a simple way to easily get your adjoint. Okay, now divide by what? The determinant. For the determinant of A, all you need to do is you cross multiply. So D will multiply A. So say A multiplied by D. Subtract what? Now we are going to still multiply this other diagonal. So we are going to have what? C multiply B, which is what? BC. So the formula that we have gotten out here, okay, is the formula method with which we can use and solve inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so let's apply this formula to what we have here. Okay, let me call this matrix, let's call it N. Matrix N is of the order 2 by 2, which we have the elements as 5, 3, 6, 4. So my N inverse, this means N inverse, okay, is going to be, of course, adjoint, okay, of N divided by what? Determinant of what? N. Alright? So we are going to apply this formula to solve and get our answer. So let me quickly replace this with, okay, our N inverse. Now I want to start with the determinant since it's easier. We're going to use this. So our determinant of N is going to be, we're going to say this will times this. So you always go like this. So we have 5 times 4 minus, okay. Then we have this way to multiply. So we have 6 times 3. Okay. So let's see what this gives us. 5 times 4 is 20. Minus 6 times 3 is 18. So that will give us 20 minus 18, which is what? 2. Okay. So just to make things easy, I'm going to replace the determinants here by 2. Now let's work on the adjoints. Alright. Now for the adjoints, okay, actually what all we need to do for the adjoint is, for the adjoint of N, okay, all we need to do is 4 is going to interchange with 5, so 4 is going to take this place. and 5 is going to interchange with 4. So we are going to have 5 here. You have to interchange the elements in the leading diagonal. Then we are going to add minus and minus here. So I have minus 3 and minus 6. Okay, so that's why we have minus and minus here, while the minus have interchanged. So let me just rub these alphabets and replace them with number. Okay, so we are going to have, this is 4, this is minus 6, this is minus 3, and this is 5. So now that we have gotten that, we can now simplify further to get our solution to this problem. Now for this, all we need to do is we are going to divide, okay, our M inverse is going to be, okay, we're going to use these two to divide all the elements inside the array. So all I have is, this is going to be 4 divided by 2, this is going to be minus 6 divided by 2, this is going to be minus 3 divided by 2, and we have 5 divided by 2. Okay, so now let's quickly divide them to see our final answer to this problem. So 2 divided 4, we are going to get is what? 2. Okay, this divided this, we are going to get is minus 3. So for this, we can leave it like that, so minus 3 over 2. And for this, we can leave it like this, 5 over 2. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. So the inverse of n for this matrix is this that we have on the board. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye.